What's going on? It's your boy Neutrals back at it again with a brand new video today, and we're going to be actually teaching you guys how to record your Xbox screen with really good quality and edit on iPhone. So that's why I'm making this video today. And yeah, so I'm actually gonna take off my glasses. I don't know, actually no, I'm gonna leave them on. But yeah, my hair's a mess, guys. I don't have it combed back like I usually do. But yeah, my hair's a mess, and yeah, so sorry about that. And yeah, so basically, I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to record your Xbox screen on iPhone, because there was a new update that recently just got dropped on the Xbox app, and you can stream your Xbox to your iPhone, and then you can screen record, obviously. So I'm gonna show you how to do that right now. Alright, so we are on the iPhone screen right now, guys. So you have to download the Xbox app. So you go to App Store, okay? And this is for iPhone only, okay? So you go to Xbox app. And then I already have it downloaded, so I'm just gonna hit open. And then yeah, so basically, now what you want to do is, yeah, this is what you will have. You got to sign in and everything, but this is what you will have as your home screen. So once you're on your home screen on your Xbox app, you want to, on the top right hand corner, you'll see a thing that looks like an Xbox with like waves coming out of it. So you want to click that, and then it'll say like you have to set it up and stuff, but I already did that. So yeah, and you guys will know how to set it up. It's pretty simple, but I'm just gonna hit remote play on this device, and then it just comes in as, you know, an airplane or whatever as it's loading in. So yeah, and it says enjoy and please share your feedback. Alright, and then you'll see it says connect a controller. You need to connect a supported controller via USB or Bluetooth play, and you just want to hit continue anyway, so you can just play on your Xbox screen, and now everything is in sync, you know. So I'm gonna go to YouTube, I'm gonna go to Twitch, YouTube, Twitch. So everything is in sync. So yeah, that's how you guys know it works and stuff like that. So yeah, it's basically like a capture card for your iPhone, but yeah. Oh, and I also forgot to show you guys how to edit it. So basically, you just want to download KineMaster. It's a really good editing app. That's what I use for my videos. And then if you guys want me to show you how I make my intro and stuff, I actually made it on KineMaster, and I made my outro on KineMaster too. So yeah, so after you're done recording, you just want to go here, and yeah, so you just want to go here, and then you want to, so you want to click on your recording, and then it'll say rotate. You want to rotate it to the left so it looks like that. And then you just want to go to where you start, like saying, hey, what's up, you know, start introducing your video. You want to go where you start introducing your video, and then just cut it right there. And then delete that other clip. And then there you go, guys. Yeah, that's how you guys know it works. So yeah, and then if you want to add a face cam, you just go right here. Nope, that's not how you do it. Hold on. So if you want to add a face cam, I'll do this more in depth in another video. But if you want to add a face cam, you hit layer, media, and then you go to all, and then you go to here. And then you can shrink it. You can crop it like this. You can crop it. I'm gonna crop mine because mine kind of looks bad, you know. So yeah, just gonna crop it right there. And yeah, so as you guys can see, I put a face cam in and everything. And then once you're done, you want to hit the top right hand corner. Like says like a little arrow and a square. You want to hit that, and then you can like choose like different like resolutions and stuff. I go 1080p 30 FPS or 30 frame rate or whatever. This is what I do. And then you can do high quality or low quality. I do right in the middle because that's just how my videos render better and faster. So that's what I do. And then you just hit export when you're done. So yeah, guys, hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video.